Welcome! In this lesson, Weekend with Friends, we highlighted some key phrases in red. They are also in the video description. Write them and practice pronunciation. At the end of the video there is audio of key phrases for pronunciation practice. Let's go to the lesson. It is Friday afternoon. Jake, Mia, and Tom are in a group chat. Jake: Hey, guys! Let's do something this weekend. Mia: Yes. The weather is nice. Let's go to the park. Tom: Great idea. What time? Jake: How about 10 a.m. on Saturday? Mia: Perfect. The next morning, the sun is shining, and the sky is bright blue. The air is warm, but there is a light, cool breeze. Birds sing in the trees, and children play on the swings. Families walk with their dogs, and people ride bikes along the path. Jake, Mia, and Tom meet near the big fountain in the center of the park. Good morning, Mia says. Morning. It's a beautiful day, Jake says. I brought a frisbee, Tom says. Cool. Let's play. They find a big, open field. The grass is green and soft. They take off their shoes and run barefoot. The frisbee flies high in the air. Sometimes the wind moves it in the wrong direction, and they laugh when someone misses the catch. After 30 minutes, they sit on a wooden bench under a tall tree. The tree gives them shade, and the cool air feels nice. I'm hungry, Mia says. Me too, Jake says. Let's get some snacks. They walk to a small cafe near the park. The cafe has outdoor tables with red umbrellas. A friendly barista smiles at them. The smell of fresh coffee and warm bread fills the air. Mia buys an orange juice. Tom gets a sandwich with ham and cheese. Jake buys a coffee with milk. They sit at a table and talk. The wind moves the leaves, and birds hop around, looking for crumbs. So, what are your plans for next week? Tom asks. I have a test on Monday, Mia says. I have soccer practice, Jake says. Tom laughs. I have nothing. Just free time. After eating, they walk back to the park. The afternoon sun is a little stronger, and the park is busier now. People sit on picnic blankets, reading books or chatting. Let's take some pictures, Mia says. They take selfies with big smiles. Behind them, the fountain sparkles in the sunlight. At 2 p.m., they feel tired. The day has been fun, but now it's time to rest. That was fun, Jake says. Yes. Let's do this again next weekend, Mia says. Definitely. Tom says. They say goodbye and walk home, happy and relaxed. The park is still full of life, but they know they will be back soon. Now, I'm going to say the sentence twice and you repeat after me. Hey, guys! Let's do something this weekend. 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 Yes. The weather is nice. Let's go to the park. Yes. The weather is nice. Let's go to the park. Yes. The weather is nice. Let's go to the park. Yes. The weather is nice. Let's go to the park. Great idea. What time? Great idea. What time? Great idea. What time? Great idea. What time? How about 10 a.m. on Saturday? 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 Perfect. 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 Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Morning. It's a beautiful day. 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 I brought a frisbee. I brought a frisbee. I brought a frisbee. I brought a frisbee. Cool. Let's play. Cool. Let's play. Cool. Let's play. Cool. Let's play. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Me too. Let's get some snacks. 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 So, what are your plans for next week? 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 I have a test on Monday. 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 I have soccer practice. I have soccer practice. I have soccer practice. I have soccer practice. I have nothing. Just free time. 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 Let's take some pictures. Let's take some pictures. Let's take some pictures. Let's take some pictures. That was fun. That was fun. That was fun. That was fun. Yes. Let's do this again next weekend. 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 Definitely. 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 Definitely.
Thanks for watching. To improve your English listening, watch videos like this every day.